Video, I'm gonna show you how I added these hearts or lives counter here in Scratch. So basically, I'm supposed to do a health bar, but it doesn't apply to the current game that I did. So I'm gonna show you how I added these ones. So this is the code. As you can see, we're at that sprite, and then this is the code. When the green flag is clicked, it's gonna show. Then it's gonna go to the front layer, and it's gonna switch its costume to heart 3 because this is composed of multiple costumes, so from 3 to 0. Now, when this sprite receives hearts as a message, as a broadcast, it switches the costume number to 1. So it basically reduces down to 0. Now, when this sprite receives the broadcast lose, it hides. And then when it receives play again, it shows up again to the front layer and switching to heart 3. Now, where is this sprite receiving its commands from? So it's going to be here. Okay, as you can see, it broadcasts hearts, and that's how these show. Now, basically, the lives here and this one are connected. All right, so I just visualize it there to replace a health bar. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is Josh. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace out.